Hi Doonieistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be something a little bit different and maybe a little bit weird for me, but I am calling this video a bedside unboxing. So I have on my cozy little robe here with a tank top underneath. My daughter actually purchased this robe for me. I think it was for my birthday a couple of years ago, and this is the perfect little robe to put on to try to warm up after getting out of the shower. So if you are interested in seeing this bedside unboxing, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first let me start off by sharing with you the color that I am wearing on my nails. You guys always ask about the colors that I have on a lot of times. So this color is by LA Colors Color Craze, and it is number 207. And I think I picked this up from the Dollar Tree for $1. Very nice. This is actually 2 coats on my nails here, and I also have on the LA Colors top coat quick drying formula. So this is the color that I am wearing, and if I had to compare it to Dooney Bourke, I would say that it is kind of a slate color, which is in between steel blue and I would say a gray. So it has a little bit of blue and a little bit of gray for the perfect combination. I think that it could be pulled off as a all year round color. Okay guys, so let's first start off with the envelope, and this is from I Love Dooney. I think all of these items are from I Love Dooney, and I did pick them up during the accessory sale, I think, if I remember correctly as to what's in here. So here is the first item, and here it is. This is the Dooney Bourke medium wristlet in the color cranberry. And you guys, this item is an item that I will be giving away in my Facebook group, the Dooney Den. I posted a poll a couple of weeks ago asking the Dooneystas what bag they thought I should unbox in a certain order. And all of the Dooneystas who voted and helped me decide which box to open first and next and so on, they were entered into a secret random giveaway. And this is the prize. And I'm not going to do too much to this because, again, this is going to be a giveaway item. But I just want to quickly share with you the color just in case you are interested. And here is the item. Again, this is the Dooney Bourke medium wristlet in the color cranberry. Absolutely beautiful, and it does have the darker trim. It's not quite Sierra leather, but it is not quite Timoro either, but very nice complement to this color. So I am going to wrap this back up because, like I said, I am giving this away as a giveaway item. So here we are for item number 1. And for item number 2, it's a very light box. I think I only ordered a couple of things, and this is probably a very, very small item in a small box, but it's probably going to be tons of room left in this box. So let's see. So guys, I apologize about the lighting, but again, this is a bedside unboxing. So let's see what we have. Let's see what this is, guys. Oh, okay. So this item here, and yes, it is a small item in a large box, but this item is an item that is another gift that I picked up for my mom. She is one who likes to wear her IDs and stuff around her neck. So I picked this up for her. She knows that I love Dooney Bourke, and I do pass some of my items down to her. And so I thought that this would be perfect for her to replace her current little lanyard that she wears all the time. Okay guys, so this is the Dooney Bourke Gretta Lanyard in the color brown tomorrow, and it doesn't have any identifying information on the tag, but it is in the color brown tomorrow. And again, I'm not going to do too much manipulating to this because it is a gift, and it does have the lanyard that goes around the neck, and it is connected with a little claw here. And on the front, it does have a little card slot where you can put your ID, and it also has the little thumbprint here where you can slide your ID in and out very easy. So here on this side, she has a couple of spots where she can put some cards or money or anything like that. It has this beautiful leather logo here with gold embossing. Absolutely beautiful. I think this is a perfect neutral for her, and something that will last for years and years to come. So anyway guys, this was just a very quick unboxing for a couple of items that I received, and just so happened both of the items are giveaway items or gift items. So I'm so excited for the Dooney-nista that wins this beautiful wristlet, and also for my mother, who is going to absolutely love having another small piece of Dooney Bourke in her collection. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this bedside unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.